Like, comment, and subscribe.
Ready to snatch some dropshipper traffic for your affiliate sales? Let's dive into the mischief. Step 1. Get yourself a Facebook Ads spy service account. Try dropship.io for a free trial. Use a temporary virtual card and cancel before they charge you. Research other options if you like. Next, let's hunt for dropshippers. In the ad spot, find successful active ads. Filter out the old stuff and random countries. Avoid 2019 posts, am I right? Now find an ad with good reactions and comments. Open their Facebook ad and website. Then, head over to AliExpress or Amazon and find the same product for cheaper. Easy peasy. Got a good match? Comment your affiliate link saying you found it cheaper elsewhere. Dropshippers' ad traffic is now yours. Just avoid keywords like Amazon or scam to keep your comment visible. Use a link shortener and remember, even if they delete your comment, there are plenty more unsuspecting dropshippers out there. Plus, those cookies can net you commissions from other purchases too. And there you have it, folks. Happy hijacking.